Example 15, solving a problem with the cosine rule. So in a lot of cases, they're going to give you a situation, not just a triangle. We've talked about that quite a lot. So we're going to do this. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label this, and I'm going to be mean, and I'm going to label it based on what they're telling us in here. So I'm going to label that point as S, and this one as a little s, because that's where Samuel is. Then I'm going to point this point as L, so that will be little l, and this one is R, and that one will be little r, because I'm using left and right. Okay, so I just want you to get used to the fact that it could be anything. So in this particular one, we are looking for cosine of S equals, so let's go L squared plus R squared minus S squared over 2 times L times R. All right, so do we know what little s is? Yes, we do. It is 2. Do we know what little l is? Yes, it is 2.5. Do we know what little r is? It is 3.2. And big S is theta. So cos of theta equals, can't think, 2.5 squared plus 3.2 squared minus 2 squared over 2 times 2.5 times 3.2. Okay, so once again, I'm going to have to get theta on its own, so I'm going to do the inverse of cos now. 2.5 squared plus 3.2 squared minus 2 squared over 2 times 2.5, 3.2. And that's what I'm going to put into my calculator. So let's go. Inverse of cos, start the fraction. We've got 2.5 squared plus 3.2 squared minus 2 squared. At the bottom of the fraction, we've got 2 times 2.5 times 3.2. We're going to go out to the right, and we're going to close the bracket, and we're going to hit equals, and it'll give us 38.682. So theta equals 38.682, blah, 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 degrees. And it says to the nearest minute, so I'm going to use my bubble button again, and it will give me 38 degrees and 40 minutes and 55.79 seconds, which to the nearest minute is 38 degrees, 41 minutes. And we're done.